Hi, boys and girls. This is your math lesson for Thursday, April 16th. We've been talking about graphing. We have done a bar graph. We have done a picture graph. We have learned that tally marks is what you use when you ask a survey. Everyone asks a survey at home. We know that symbols are pictures. We have learned this is a bar graph. We know that data is just a way to represent information. We know the key tells us the picture equals how many votes. There's a picture graph, very, very easy, and a survey is when you ask questions. Okay, that was a review. So yesterday I left you and I asked you to do 551 and 552 and the homework page 553 and 554. Okay, so I want to go over that right now. So if you could pause this video and go get that from yesterday, please, and then turn this back on when you are ready. Without throwing that down. Sorry. Okay, so 551. So it gave you, they took a survey. It says complete the tally chart, use the tally chart to make a bar graph. So they gave you the tallies, they did the survey, so find the totals. This is 4, this is 6, 2, and 5. Remember when it crosses over like that, that becomes the fifth vote. So blue has 5 plus 1 more is 6. And then you can create your graph. And I'm just going to use red for all of these, even though it has different colors. So red had, and we're going to make a bar graph, red had 4. Blue has 6. It goes all. Oh, you know what? Red, I did too many. Red has 4. Blue has 6. Black has 2. And green has 5. Okay. And then down here, right-handed or left-handed, there were 4 total left-handed. And there were 6 total right-handed. And this graph is now going up. So left-handed, we have 4. There's 4, and then right-handed we have 6, and there's that. So pretty easy. Okay, and then the back, it wanted you to answer it using the information. So Alyssa took a survey to find which Juice Pop flavor 15 friends like. So I know I have to have a total of 15 votes. 6 voted for cherry. So I'm going to go to 6 for cherry. 5 voted for grape. 2 voted for orange. And the rest of her friends voted for lime. Well, I've got to get to 15. So here I have 6 and 5. So 6 plus 5 I know is 11. That's a near doubles. Plus 2 more is 13. 13 to 15 is how many? Yep, 2. So lime also had 2. And then you can color these bars in. I'm just trying to save a little bit of time. So there's that bar graph. Next one, Luke took a survey of 18 friends to find their favorite soup. 4 voted for chicken soup. 6 voted for vegetable. And the same number voted for tomato and noodle. Okay, so tomato and noodle will have the same number of votes. Let's get our chicken. 4 voted for chicken. I'm going to do my bar graph to 4. And this one I will color in. Okay, and then 6 voted for vegetable. So take that out to 6. Okay, so what is 6 plus 4? Well, we know that's a way to make a 10. So far I have 10 votes and I have to have 18. So how many votes do I have left to put on our graph? Yeah, 8. And then if you have 8 votes left and the same number have it, what double makes 8? Perfect. 4. So 4 plus 4. So here is 4 and here is 4. And there is your bar graph of the soup. Okay? Okay, and then now to your homework. So they did the first example. They have the tally. It was favorite music. They found the totals for you. They did it for you. And down here it says use the tally chart to make the bar graph. These are the types of favorite birds. Robin had 3, blue jay had 2, swan had 4, and flamingo had 5. Pretty easy. I'm not going to color those in. So this was real easier just using the data. And on the back, same thing. Favorite color, they found the totals for you. Red had 4, blue had 5, pink had 4, and green had 2. There's a graph, favorite color. And then 15 people, so I know I'm going to have 15 votes, voted on their favorite field trip. 2 voted for the symphony. Remember, boys and girls, we went to the symphony, how fun that was, where we heard the music? Oh, that was so good. Okay, I did that one. 5 voted for the zoo. The same number voted for the museum and aquarium. So these have the same number. So if I have 5 and 2 is 7. 7 to 15, how many is that? So 7 plus what equals 15? And then you can subtract the 7 from the 15 and you'll get an 8. And it's the same number. So again, what doubles makes 8? 4 and 4. So I'm going to do 4 here and 4 there. And there's all your votes. And then circle the bar graph. Okay, well, this is a survey table. That's not a graph. This has pictures, so that's not a bar graph. And this is the bar graph right here. Okay, so pretty easy. So today what I want to focus on is analyzing bar graphs. So not that hard at all. Okay, so this says analyze bar graphs. So again, if we were in the classroom, I would take a survey of this. So I'm just going to make data up. Here I have 7, here I have 6, here I have 2 spaghetti, and here I have 4. Okay, and it says healthful dinners. Okay, so I'm going to color, I'm going to do this real quick. So there's 7, 6 pizza. I don't know how these are healthy. Spaghetti has 2, milk and cookies have 4. Okay, so now when you analyze a bar graph, you use this information. So let me ask some questions. How many students voted for chicken and broccoli? 7, that was an easy one. How many students voted for spaghetti and milk and cookies? So start with your higher number, 4, 5, 6, good. How many more? Remember, how many more is always going to be subtraction. How many more students voted for pizza than spaghetti? So pizza had 6, spaghetti had 2. So 6 minus 2, and that equals 4. Okay, and then I could say how many people voted, how many kids voted in all. So I'm going to add these up. I'm going to look for a 10. 6 and 4 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 2 is 19. 19 votes in all. So analyzing data is just answering questions. All right, let's look at this one. So it says, Owen surveyed his class about the favorite ice cream flavors. Then he made a bar graph to show the data. So here you have the flavors, chocolate, vanilla, strawberry, mint. Here they did the bar graph for you, all done. Okay, so now let's analyze it. Let's use this information to answer some questions. The flavor the least is what? Yep, vanilla. V-A-N-I-L-L-A. Chocolate received 2 more votes than what? So chocolate is right here. It has 1, 2 more than, strawberry. S-T-R-A-W-B-E-R-R-Y. What 2 flavors did 11 students vote for? So what 2 numbers equals 11? So we gotta try and put 2 together to see if it works. So 7 plus 3, no, I know that's 10. 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7 and 5 is 12. No. No, I I know it can't be this one. That would be even higher. So let me go over here. 6 and 5. Yep. 6 and 5 equals 11. So this would be strawberry and mint equals 11. And you could ask any questions you wanted to. Okay. Okay. So what I want you to do tonight, pretty easy, is you're going to do page 557, 558, 559, and 560. And you're analyzing the bar graphs. And that's all analyzing is you're using the information to answer the questions. And I'm going to go over this tomorrow. Okay, and that's it for today. All right. Bye, boys and girls.